Alright, I have gone into length into explaining to you before in the class as to how you can start styling with your text. The first thing before getting into text styling or any kind of formatting for your text inside your body. Alright, so basically to start off with formatting the text, I'll go to body, and in body I'll choose a font family. If I choose any font family, everything in the body will go to this font family, and we can further on change each element which goes into the body. For example, we can decide to all the paragraph can have one particular font family or font type. We can decide to have the H1 and H3 and all that. But anything besides that will follow this particular font family. Okay, so we can go ahead and change the specific text to our own font family, but by default everything in the body will have Arial. If not Arial, then Helvetica. Size, I'll choose 100%. Why am I doing this? Because by doing this, whatever text is inside the body will default to the default font size in your browser. So it is dependent upon the default font size on the browser. And after that, when we actually give font size to each element, we will do a relative font size in correspondence, in relation to your default font size in your browser. Color is white. I'm okay with that, so I'll apply, and you can see instantly everything changes to one font type. Now we can go ahead and modify each tag. For example, this is H1. I can select it. I can go to this new CSS rule. Yeah, I can go to tag. It will show H1. I'll click OK, and I can decide on the font family. Now I can decide on Tribucent. I can decide on 1.5 EM. This is a relative font size. And color, well, I can go a little grayish here. Alright, apply. As you can see, changed. Now this is a quote. I want this quote to have a specific color, a specific font type, okay, and a specific formatting. So I'll choose this. Alright, I'll click on a new CSS rule, and here I'll apply a class, because I can apply this to any other page wherever I can see a quote. Okay, so now you know how to start a class, a CSS rule dot quote. Okay, click OK. Here I can decide a font family of, say, Courier. Okay, a font size of 0.8 EM. That is in relation to the the H1. Here I can have normal, but I can have italic. Okay, in color I can decide to have a little bit on a yellow side. Okay. Well, anything more you want to add, you can go ahead and add it. I'll click apply, and okay, now nothing happens because it's a class, so you have to manually apply it. You click, you select, you go to HTML, you go to your class, and you choose quote. Can you see? Alright, now this is a paragraph. For paragraph styling, you just have to click inside, and you click on a CSS rule, and you go to tag, and you choose paragraph. You click OK, then this font opens. You can choose a font family. Now remember, it was Arial, remember, for the whole body. For the header, we had gone ahead with Tribucent. I'll go with Tribucent. I'll choose a font size of 1 EM. Okay, I don't need to add anything else. I can have a font color of, again, more towards orange. Yeah, apply. Okay, that's it. Alright, now as you can see, things inside your navigation panel has also changed. Although white it is showing right now because we had selected, visited, hover, active, remember? Now whatever is in the middle, which is not part of a link, is becoming orange because it is taking this particular color. Because this is a part of P. That's why it's taking this particular color. Alright, so we have all this specific CSS rule we have done for the page, and we can always apply this and connect this to another pages as well. I'll come to it later, but in the next tutorial we're getting into actually creating a layout. We will draw a fixed size div tag and insert all this text inside that. That's a part of the next tutorial.